Another jewelry box is done. Again, this is a Chinese elm jewelry box. This specific box is off the second limb of the tree. I got two big branches. The first one is the ones that most of the previous videos have been done on. This is off the second limb, but the second limb is still really pretty. And depending on, it's not going to probably show up on the video, but if I can hold it still, you can actually see, yeah, that's not going to work. You can actually see the rays coming, the growth rays in the coming the whole way out from the center, clear out, so that's really cool. And this one is not gonna, yeah, there we go. So the dark is some of the bark lines, because it has a darker bark, so I left some of that in because it gives it some good color and contrast. Bottom. Yeah. And here, this one you can kind of see from the center out towards my thumb some of the lines coming out, so that's really cool. And of course I can't turn it upside down right in the picture, but and this lighting is not ideal, but again it has the same kind of hinge as all the other ones. Those seem to work really well, and I put the red felt on plastic down in. Yeah, it's another one that's successful. This is the first of the big batch that I'm currently working on that is pretty much done and ready to go. This one I'm trying, I got polyurethane on the top. Well, I did tung oil first on all the surfaces, and then polyurethane on the top, and then some on the sides, and then I did a special wax that I put over all the surfaces, so it's not quite as shiny on the bottom, but it should. See if we can zoom in better without it going crazy. Yeah, you can kind of see the lines. Unfortunately, without either being in person or using a macro camera, which this iPad does not have, there's no way to really see how nice it is in person, but it does come out really nice. So, yep, one more done. So, hopefully another happy person. That's what's happened for all the other ones, but yeah, another happy person. And they also sometimes have the light colored lines, the growth lines and such, so yeah, this ends up being an awesome wood. I'm hoping after I get done with these two branches I'm actually going to be able to find more, but yeah, we shall see. But yep, another one done.